So by default, Mac OS only lets you install apps from the App Store, which means you will need to tweak a settings to allow Proton VPN to install. Here is how. Open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security. First download applications from and select App Store and identify developers. That's it. Now your Mac will allow Proton VPN to run without any issues. Now get the app, head over to the Proton VPN download page and grab the Mac OS version. Go to Finder Downloads and double click the Proton VPN DMG file. This will mount it like a virtual disk. Then drag the Proton VPN icon into your applications folder. Then go to applications and double click Proton VPN or use Launchpad to find it. The first time you open it, your Mac might ask if you are sure, just click open. Then launch the Proton VPN app. Enter your Proton account, username and password. If you want Proton VPN to start automatically when your Mac turns on, enable start on boot. Then if you don't have an account, you can create one right from the app. Since Proton VPN needs special permissions to function properly, Mac OS will prompt you to approve it. Here is what to do. When you open the app for the first time, you will see a system extension block message. Click Open System Setting, go to General, then Login Items and Extensions, then Network Extensions and click Info button. Toggle Proton VPN WireGuard on, then click Done. Then Quick Connect. Open Proton VPN, click the Quick Connect button and it will automatically connect you to the fastest server. The first time you do this, Mac OS will ask for permission to add a VPN configuration. Click Allow, boom, you are connected. If you are on a Proton VPN paid plan, you can pick a server from over 110 countries. Click over a country name and click Connect. To see specific servers, click the next to country, find a server you like. However, hover over it and click connect. Some servers have special features. Tor servers for accessing the Tor network, streaming servers best for watching content from different regions, and P2P servers for optimized torrenting. If you want more control over your connection, here are some advanced options: Secure Core, NetShield, Ad Blocker, and Key Switch. If you always use the same settings, save them as a profile. Go to the profile tab, set up your preferred connection settings, save it so you can connect instantly next time. Click Proton VPN in the Mac OS menu bar to access. Check for updates, stay on the latest version, adjust general and connection preferences in setting, manage your saved connection profiles. Then tweaking settings for better experience. Auto launch Proton VPN when your Mac starts, minimize the app to the menu bar, enable notifications, get early access to test new features. Then in connection settings, auto connect when the app starts, decide if quick connect picks the fastest or a random server, then change VPN protocols like WireGuard or OpenVPN. Then allow LAN connections, useful for printers and local networks. Then DNS leak protection always enable. In advanced setting, you can use alternative routing, moderate NAT, send autonomous widget statistics, and send crash reports. To manage your account, open Proton VPN, click on the account tab, view and manage your subscription plan and payment details. And that's it. Proton VPN is now up and running on your Mac. Enjoy secure private browsing. And if you ever need help, check out the Proton VPN support center.